a crazy week out there. Now, I care about all my friends here in the monster shop, so some of them are fine staying here, but I told Jensen to go home and take care of his family. I mean, just look at him. Did you know his wife is a retired model? He told me they're doing fine, but he did mention that he's been having a hard time getting the kids to go to sleep. Apparently the stress has gotten to him and has started to affect his voice, and so his lullabies just aren't working as well as they used to. So I figured I'd take some time and I'd make some sort of instrument that he could play instead. I've actually got a really cool idea based on a couple projects I've seen recently. This tiny little MIDI Stylophone and this really cool circuit board on glass. So I'm going to take these two ideas, mix them together, and make a MIDI Stylophone on glass. So the first thing I need to do is figure out the wiring and the programming, and I'm going to try my best with Jensen not here. Okay, I'm not the greatest programmer in the world, so it took me a little while, but I've got my little prototype working. So this wire here will be the stylus, and when I touch what will be the keys, it'll send a MIDI note to the computer to play a sound. So now that that's done, let's make the real thing. Resistors. Probably can't even see it. Hey, look at that! Now, for my first attempt at surface mount soldering, I'm gonna say it's not that bad. Now, I could just leave the stylus as the wire, like I did on the prototype, but I want to try to make this look a little fancier, so I've got an idea I want to try. There we go, that's better. Now it just needs a couple handles, and it'll be all set. Look how cool this thing is. And even better than it looking really cool, it actually works really well too. Now I just have to learn how to make music. But that can happen some other time because this has to get to Jensen. Hey Mailbox, can you bring it to him?
Fine. Oh, come on!
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye!